In this video we're taking an honest look at Firebase's pricing and what you really get before diving in. Firebase, developed by Google, is known for being developer-friendly with tools like Firestore, Authentication, cloud functions, and hosting. The good news is that Firebase starts free. The Spark plan lets you build and test without upfront cost. But once your app scales, pricing shifts to the Blaze pay-as-you-go model, which can get expensive if you're not careful. Firestore costs rise based on reads, writes, and storage, while Cloud Functions charges for execution time and invocations. For small to medium projects, costs stay manageable, but large-scale apps often see bills climb faster than expected, especially with heavy database or function usage. Compared to alternatives like Supabase or AWS Amplify, Firebase wins on simplicity and integration but lags in predictable pricing. It's great for MVPs and startups testing ideas, but scaling demands close cost monitoring. If you're planning long-term or enterprise use, calculating projected usage before committing is a must. Firebase is powerful, just not always cheap. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest and data-driven tech reviews every week.